This morning I went to get my food truck to get ready for an event, and this is what I come across. They didn't want me to come into the storage, but this is what my food truck looked like. You see J. Harvey's grill over there to the left. And so I don't know what happened. I know it was some high wind, but to do this much damage, I know this is the way they got it built is pretty cheap, but maybe a little tornado must have touched down. As you can see, the top is blown there in the up in the trees. So, and you still got electrical wires and stuff hanging across my truck and other things. I didn't touch anything because I'm familiar with electricity. It could be hot. So they're going to call in an electrician to come and cut all the power so that I can go and see what kind of damage have occurred. I know it rained and I got a lot of stuff in the back that is out. May have got a lot of rain on it. So I'm going to just wait till they move this stuff out the way. And they didn't even call me. The bad thing about it, I had to just drive up in here to see this. And they didn't even want me to, so maybe they was going to try to clean it up before I can get to it and see it. But I did go back here anyway, and I took a video and took a few pictures, just in case I need to file some kind of insurance. But this is in Houston. This is on December the 14th, 2020. And I know the wind was blowing and a lot of rain, but it just damaged these two storages. One with my food truck and the other one to the right. I never met the guy before, but I see he got a few toys in there. He got a UTV, looked like a Polaris back there, and looked like I think a four-wheeler here on this trailer. So he don't know anything about his stuff either because they haven't called anybody. So they told me they were going to call me, but they knew about this since this morning and they didn't even make an effort to call me. But anyway, this is the damage I have. So I'm going to have to cancel these couple of events until I figure out what's going on with my truck. Hope it wasn't that much damage done to it. It's hard to tell. Like I said, I'm not going to touch anything because I've seen people get shocked and electrocuted, and it's not a nice thing. All right, thanks for watching. I'll give you guys an update here soon once they get everything cleared off. And subscribe to my channel. And I was going to do a food video about food trucks. Should you get a food truck or food trailer? I'll probably do that in a couple of days and just explain to you guys the pros and cons of a food truck or a food trailer. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, Welding and Stuff.